Are you looking for a special way to surprise someone on Instagram? In this video, I will show you just how easy it is to send a gift message on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in your inbox, tap on the conversation that you want to send a surprise message to. After that, enter the message you want to send and then tap on the search button over here. And now you have a couple of different options to customize your gift message. You can select any one of these. I'm just going to tap on this to select it. And now you've successfully sent a gift message on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.